Bumalik ako kasi na-end yung live kasi naka-copyright ako. Hi, Ate Sai. In-end call mo. Then, naka-copyright ako. Tsaka hindi tayo magka-call. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Bilis ah. I'm here na. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Joy, kantahin mo yung good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Anong cash G mo? Baka i-bash nyo ako na nag-ano ako ng Gcash. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Ano ba yan? Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Yung driver natin, ang ganda. Asus! Gawa na tayo ng kanta. Guys, ayan nga pala si Kido Chris. Ang galing niya kumanta. And, comment kayo if gusto nyo mag-collab kami. Gumawa kami ng kanta or mag-cover kami. Diba? Let's sing along. Come on. Very good. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Galing. Good morning, tagalan mo pa. Kasi, nagbabagyo kasi. Di ako makabiyahe kasi, di ba, may mga baha sa Manila. Baka lumubog ako doon. Collab na yan. Collab na yan. Ay, what if gawan natin ng remix yun? Yung good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Collab. Tara nga. Mag-cover tayo. I-cover natin yung juice ko ni Stockley. Bagay sa atin yun. Thank you. Ba't ako nagtithank you kay Mikey? Puro hi lang siya. Hi! Hi, hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Tama na. Nakaka-spam mo. Malakas ulan dyan. Hindi. Napakahina lang, oo. Okay, go. Ikaw na lang hinihintay. Kasi di ako makakalis eh. Kasi naman eh. Bahala ka dyan, Mickey. Ay, kung puro ganyan ang comment mo, ay. Yan. San yan? Anong san yan? Sa kantin. Sino po kasama niya? Yung jowa ko. Wala, lumalakas lalo yung ulan. Taga saan ka sa Pampanga? Dito lang. Diyan lang. Tara na road trip. Alam niyo, pagod na yung pagkatao kong mag-drive. Ayoko na mag-drive muna. Gusto ko muna maging passenger princess. Yung nasa likod lang ako or nandito lang ako sa passenger seat. Tapos, naka-earphone lang ako. Nakikinig lang ng song habang nakaganon. Ayoko na muna yung may iniisip akong daan. May iniisip akong... Ay, gusto ko muna maging princess. Asan ako mag-drive? Eh di namatay tayo. Looking for driver. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Kailangan na mawala ng ulan para makapag-alis-alis na ako. Ang hirap magbiyahe ng maulan. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Wait lang, magre-reply ako lang ako sa inay ko.
Hindi ka, alalo man eh. Ay, alalo man
Oo
eh.
rin lo.
Yung atin ang lord rito.
Oh, sige.
Diyan ka pa.
Kailan ko pa.
Oh.
Hi, babe! Kamusta na ikaw? I miss you. Kailan tayo mag-hangout? Kailan max mute nyo? Good morning, pineapple. I miss you, babe. Kailan ang banding? Wala pa kami sked. Babe, magsabay na kaya tayo. Like kapag pupunta kayo, sabihan nyo ako. Mag-set ka dali. Eh, ang layo nyo eh. Magchampurado tayo, babe. I'll be right back. Diyan lang kayo. After bagyo, set ka sa Champaraduhan. Hirap dun! Salwa ng soft drinks, apo ba chichirya?
Cheerio na.
Isang ole.
Ole.
Apong nanong soft drinks ka rin?
Coke mismo.
Coke mismo. Perks of having canteen. Pwede ako kumain libre. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Look good morning, pineapple. Ako na-LSS ako, ano? Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple.
35.
35, utang pa, utang.
35 this time.
Utang muna. Good morning, pineapple.
That's it? Tom doesn't deserve any of them. What she did was so cruel.
So what's up?
I just thought you... Explain. Enter.
But what the hell is going on here?
I can explain.
You're supposed to be in Cebu.
And you're not supposed to be here.
Rafi, please.
What is happening? Wala ba mag-explain, ha? Ikaw, are you not gonna say anything?
I have nothing to explain.
Ang sakit, ah. Ang tigas talaga ng mukha mo.
Oh, sheesh.
Han. Han. Rafi. Masaya ka na? Rafi.
The only reason why I'm still here is one, ayoko masabi ng parents ko sa akin ng I told you so. And two, I want to hear what you have to say. So how long has this secret affair been going on? You know what? It really doesn't matter anyway. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, pareho lang yun.
I can explain. Rafi, I had a with Sam. But that was way before you and I ever met. The truth is, I didn't even know that the two of you knew each other. The night that you introduced me to her, that was the next time I saw her.
Then what? You went back for more?
No, it's not like that, Rafi. After you backed out of the wedding, you didn't even talk to me. You didn't give me any explanation. I thought you were gone for good. Rafi, you left me hanging. What was I supposed to do? The whole time you were gone, the only person who was there for me was Sam.
Iniwan mo naman kasi nang hindi niya alam eh.
No, I love you. She made it impossible for me, Rafi.
Tinutukan ka ba niya ng barel? Did she grab you by... You should have told me!
Yes, I should have told you. At first, I wanted to tell you. Pero kakatapos lang natin sa di natuloy na wedding. Rafi, inaayos pa natin ang relationship natin because I wanted this to work out. Please, Rafi, trust me. I beg you. I didn't want to hurt you.
What you did!
I know.
You did! You did! You
Please.
did! You
I know.
did!
I know I hurt you.
did!
I know. Come here. Please. I know. And I hate myself for it. I hate myself for it.
No!
Please, this is just one little big accident. Fix it. I want to fix it with you. I want to fix it with you. Please. Please.
Cheating isn't an accident. It's a choice. Tuwa lang yun. If I stay with Anton, can I trust him again? Baka hindi na ako maging masaya. I will always be doubting. This isn't working. Nasa yoga ako pero gusto kong... Thank you. Guys, so Sam messaged me that she wants to talk later. So if you all want to know what's going on, you're all welcome to eavesdrop when we meet up. Message you details later.
The secret affair.
Please don't make a scene, Rafi.
Na.
At yung parang ni mama, may problema itong video.
Ang wapin, nag-text siya, Pigo.
Wala kang kahit yan, libo pa sa kunyagi kitang Gcash. Pang sinagtakan ako. Ano kasing magkahit eh?
Ano? Mahalan na.
Wali 1,000 cash. Pagkasyan kaya kitang sinagtakan ako mama itong Gcash. Eh.
Ala akong cash.
Wala akong
Wala
cash. Eh, sige.
Sige.
Pakay ko niya ako.
Kahit naman aso marunong magmahal. Mas loyal pa.
Okay, fine. You had him. He loved you. Pero anong ginawa mo? And you're taking it against me that I fell in love with him after you dumped him?
Una, I didn't dump him. Pangalawa, babae ako. I was his fiancé. I had the right to change my mind and get cold feet, and I don't owe you an explanation.
He went through hell and you didn't care.
I had to think.
Well, you didn't think about him, that's for sure. Selfish.
You know what, Pup? It's so obvious that he doesn't love you. Ano mo gusto mo mangyari?
I'm not giving him up.
In case you still haven't noticed, you never even had him. Don't confuse love with sweetie.
It's not that... I love him.
It's not love either. So stop thinking that in your twisted, psychotic, delusional little head. You know what? It's times like this that I really wish the RH bill would be passed. Para hindi na yung mga katulad mo.
You don't have to be rude, you know?
I was given that right the moment that you slept with Anton. I knew that this conversation wasn't going to go anywhere. I just owed it to the girls.
Umuulan.
What? I hate misquotes, so I let them listen in. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan magkwento.
Alam nyo,
Rain check na lang yung
mabuti pa, kantahan ko na lang kayo. I will sing along a song. Ayoko na, joke lang. Hindi, wala nang ulan. Baha lang. Uwi! Makaka-copyright pala ako. Superhuman did to me. Ako to. Siya si, si Breezy. Ako si GZ. I have been crying and crying for weeks. How to survive and I can barely speak. But that's the moment you came to me. I don't know what your love is done to me. Think I'm invisible, I see through the me I used to be. You changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. Oh, superhuman. Oh. Grabe naman yun. Superhuman. Pag sinabi kong maganda yung boses ko sa car, maniwala kayo. Kaso hindi gumagana. Pag gumagana lang maganda. I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself, cause my heart's so much misery. I will not break the way you did summer. I've learned the hard way. Because of you, I'll never stray to fall from the sidewalk. Because of you, I've learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid I lose my way, and it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry because I know that's weakness in your. I'm forced to fake a smile, a laugh every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break when it wasn't even whole to start with. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I've learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. I watched you die, I heard you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. You never thought of anyone else, you just saw your pain. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same damn thing. Woo! Maganda yun. Ganyan kumanta ng may kulot. Alam niyo, gusto ko mapaos. Gusto ko yung boses na paos. Alam niyo pa kami yung parang Mariah Carey na paos. So, papausin natin ng sarili natin. Dito pa kayo? Sige. Tagal. know it was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. And the night was so cold, all the tears had turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes are drying up forever. I finished crying that you felt, and I can't remember when or how, and I banished every memory you and I would ever make. But when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When you touch you like this, or when you hold me like that, it's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there was flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights with all this pain. It was more than a lousy love. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. There was an empty tree. Ito na lang. Okay, baka kaya natin dito. Baka kaya lang dito. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. the only way to fly. Wala na, lalagnatin na ako niyan. Oh. Makabuli yung kwarto? Ay, makikicharge muna ako dito. Grabe ang pink! Saan yung charger? Hello? Hey, sheesh. Hey, I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will rise. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love. Yes, you belong to me, and I'm yours exclusively. Right now, we're breathing. Nasaan ba yung charger ni Mother Earth? Ayo. Jonas, sige sasali. Ano po yun? May barok. Yung beso.
Ikaw, bossing. Kaya mo? Wala. Ito yung boss dito. Siya, no? Yan yung boss dyan.
Alam niyo bakit? Nagulat si Kuya eh. Ikaw ba naman nakadikit ka dito? Tapos, idikit ba naman yung picture mo dito sa kantin? Diba? Ito yung charger na ako.
Sa video?
Charger na.
Ito ba yun? Ayan.
Yes! Wala stand.
Hindi ko yan.
Hindi, nagpota na.
Ay.
Wala. Nag-charge ko pota. May dala ko dito eh. Di ba kantin to eh, mga kumakain na customer. Yan. Siyempre, nakikita ko, nandito yung nandito yung picture ko. Kulang na lang. Tapos, ito pa yung nakakatawa dyan. Di ba ito yung picture ko? Sa baba nito, no smoking. So, akala nila, ang pangalan ko, no smoking. may sasabihin ako. Dito man. Dali. Dito. Dito man. Meron akong ano sa'yo. Meron akong joke. Ang isasagot mo, bakit? No? Oh. Bakit daw hindi pwedeng pagsabayin yung mga kalbo sa jacuzzi? Bakit? Kasi pagkakamalan silang squid ball. Bakit yung damit ni Superman letter S? Letter B. Bakit? Kasi walang medium. Bakit? Anong ginagawa mo? Gumagawa akong laruan. Wag mo muna, mapuputot yan. Kiss ko. Right?
Bakit ako? Kaya mo may kiss yun. Aray! Aray!
Dati wala kaming pambiling laruan, kaya gumagawa ko ng sarili ko laruan. Nag-i-invent ako. Yo, oh. Oh. Pamamadwas mo. Padwas ka.
Di. Sir. Wala naman edit.
Na?
Wala naman edit.
Edit mo. Yo, itattoo nga kita. Hindi ka kita tattoo. Ay, ako. Last Kenny pen. Kenny, bilis. Tatuda ka pa. Kaya ka makanang magaling mag-tattoo. Kenny. Something Kenny, oh. Wait. Malikot. Yaw ka malikot. Sakit?
Di pala to kita.
Ang sakit. Tuloy ko na po ito.
Extra ba, no?
Wala pa kasi. Bayari. Wala yung kuryente eh.
Ini. Oh. Yan, David, yan.
Kaya ko mo naman.
Yan! Wait lang. Ano si Yan! Di ba pwede?
Bumili na kayo. Bili na kayo sa akin. Lahat.
Meron dito.
lahat ng bibili, eto, alam